Hello and welcome to the College of the Florida Keys Academy. Are you interested in dual enrollment? Taking college classes while enrolled in high school, possibly earning your AA degree while earning your high school diploma. Sounds cool, right? If you're interested, check this out. I'm Dr. AAllen, and I teach some of the English and Intro to Education courses, and I want to share with you what our classes are like here across that sidewalk at the College of the Florida Keys. For starters, we don't use Google Classroom here. We use Canvas.instructure and a lot of the Outlook apps. However, some of your professors will outline other websites they use in the syllabus. Also, keep in mind, we have a slightly different schedule. While some holidays and emergency days are the same as the school district, there will be some days where the college has classes and you'll be expected to attend. Remember, your responsibility is owning your learning. What does that mean? Track your own progress and grades. Grades will be posted periodically in Canvas, but we do not send progress reports and report cards, so you'll be responsible for logging on and checking it out. If you want your parents to talk to your professors, you'll need to sign a form called the FERPA. This lets professors know that you're okay with us sharing your progress. However, keep in mind, some professors reserve the right to talk to students only. If you need help, you're more than welcome to get free tutoring. We have tutoring in the library during the day, and we also offer BrainFuse, which will be a program embedded in your Canvas courses, which offers tutors 24 hours. You can upload work to be looked at, or you can log in to a free live session. Feel free to create study groups, get to know your classmates, make some lifelong friends. Attendance and assignments are mandatory. You must turn in your assignments, and you need to attend all of your classes. If you have trips, sports, sickness, any kind of college visit scheduled, you may want to check out the syllabus to see what is the attendance policy that your professor has outlined. Late work will not be accepted. Every professor has their own policy. You'll want to make sure you know it before the course begins. The opportunity here is endless. We love and respect everyone. We are one big human family, and we have so many resources that you could benefit from. We have tutoring, clubs, student services, and more. Keep in mind, for the best success, you'll want to follow that syllabus. It's your contract for the semester. Welcome aboard. We can't wait to have you.